Hey guys, I'm here at the Milwaukee Pipeline event, and I'm here with Madeline, and we're going to talk about the new, is it a rapid charger? Is that what we're calling it?
Dual bay simultaneous supercharger.
Dual bay simultaneous
supercharger.
Madeline, run us through this. Talk about what is different about this than any other rapid charger.
Yeah, so we actually launched this last year, and we had already implemented this cool cycle technology before we even launched these cool cycle capable packs. When pairing both the new FORGE 12 and 8.0 and the supercharger, you're getting that full cool cycle capability. What that means is it's high speed cooling, which means less downtime to mimic that high demand application. So what happens when you put those hot packs on those two chargers is the rapid charger, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for that pack to cool itself down enough to actually start charging. Versus what you experience now with FORGE and supercharger together, it immediately starts charging in this scenario. If you were to push that FORGE pack even harder, you could have up to 90 seconds of wait time, but 90 seconds versus 15 to 20 minutes, huge time saving. And then when you look at the entire cycle, what you'll notice is it's 127 minutes for that high output and rapid charger for the cooling and charge time. You'll also notice you start with a hot pack and you end with a hot pack. Whereas this side, with that FORGE and supercharger, is a total of 45 minutes. Basically, on the bottom of this charger, you'll see two fans. It's going to suck air through the fans and then push it through the pack where we've implemented venting.
So
what this helps
through
with
here and then out here?
Yep,
okay.
And what that does is when you're taking a warm pack off a high demanding application and you're putting it on the charger, it's immediately starting to cool that, providing you less downtime and faster charging.
So tell me, what's the problem with a hot battery on a charger? Why would you not want that?
Yeah, it's a great question. Right now, if you were to put, one of those hot packs on our current other chargers, you'd probably be waiting anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes for the pack to cool itself down enough to start charging. This really beats that by only having to wait maybe up to 90 seconds for it to cool enough to start charging.
So previous technology, that the pack would just have to cool down ambient? Regular?
It's cooling itself down. It just takes some time.
And then it wouldn't take a charge. So it's not capable of taking a charge until 15, 20 minutes.
Yes.
Now what you're doing is you're forcing air through heat sinks and all that stuff, cooling it fast, which you can immediately take a charge within once it's cold enough. Cool enough.
And a lot of times you'll experience that charging immediately. If you're running it really hard on a high demand application, you might have up to 90 seconds of waiting time, but compared to that 15 to 20 minutes, nothing.
So you do that 2 or 3 times a day, we're talking 45 minutes.
Right.
Yeah, that's smart.
Yes.
We talked about this. This was out last year, so remind me of the price.
Yeah, so $249 for the charger, and then we're actually matching with the new FORGE batteries. The same exact price you'd be purchasing our high output today. So $199 for the 8.0 and $249 for the 12, which is exactly what you would be paying for a high output today.
Does it come with 2 batteries or just one?
Just one.
1 battery charger, 1 battery charger.
Well, these are all the single prices.
I got you. I got you. Okay.
We're going to look at how we can bundle them together so you guys can get the best bang for your buck as well.
So I have to think that if the batteries are being cooled, and you're charging them cooler, the longevity of the battery, it's going to last longer, right? More cycles or just better cycles?
Yep, more cycles. And actually, Jess over here, she'll be able to run you through. We have a whole entire section about what longest life looks like for these FORGE packs. And we know that by adding venting in here, we're adding a little bit more exposure to the packs.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about that.
Yep, we've taken a ton of time to make sure that these are the most durable on the market, providing that longest life. Jess will run through kind of what that patented ingress coating is that protects there and the housing as well.
Yeah, I think with a recip saw and I'm cutting and I cut a pipe and some water drips out, it gets into maybe it gets in here.
Yep.
That's okay.
Yes.
Wow.
We've done all the right testing and implemented the right technology to protect it.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Madeline, thank you so much for your time and thanks for having us out.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye, everybody.